everyone, it's Happymailqueen, and I have a project share for you guys. So I wanted to play with my new Lawn Fawn Easter die, and so I decided to create the stitched basket. And as you guys know, on one of my videos, I hauled a few new Lawn Fawn dies, so I'm going to try to, use them and share with you guys a project, at least 1 or 2 projects each week, because Easter is fast approaching. So anyway, I used a stitched basket, and it comes out like this. I basically followed the way they made it because I just love the whole look of it. And so I will leave the link to the Lawn Fawn YouTube site, because they did do a video on how to assemble these, which, it was super easy. So it is a lot of pieces, so you do have to cut all your pieces, but it's so worth it because it comes out so cute. So for my base, I used this Julie Nutting Prima tag pad. It's called Aquarelle, and so it has like different hues of pastel colors, and it even has watermarks. And as the name suggests, kind of looks like watercolor. So it's super thick and just sturdy. I mean, it's not like really thick, but it's almost like a whiteboard, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like thin whiteboard, super sturdy. So that's why I wanted to use that, because I wanted to make my basket pretty sturdy. Of course, if you're making your basket for kids, who are just going to toss it, then you probably want to just make it really simple for yourself, and especially if you're going to create a bunch of these for Easter. Yeah, I would just use maybe a double-sided cardstock. So I used this one, and then of course I had to use my Perfectly Plaid 6x6 inch paper pack, and I used, I think, just 3 different kinds. And super cute. I love this pastel plaid that they came up with. This is my favorite, and I used the 6x6 just, to have the smaller scale plaid design. Okay, so that is basically what I used. So let me just share with you guys my basket. So look, they came out so cute. And so you can, basically design you can do your scene any which way you want, with tulips, with butterflies. You can put a bunch of butterflies. You can put some eggs. Each little panel, it was fun to create, and I kind of just, made it a little different. And then the inside, I just love how the person that, had designed this, I love the plaid on the inside, because it does really look like how baskets come, lined with the cloth inside. And I love that it's pretty seamless inside, you guys, when you put this together. It's like it's like perfect when you assemble it. And then I made a blue one. Look how cute. Really pretty. And so again, and just a tip, I did wrinkle the handle here, and that's one of the watermarks. Like, that's just how the tag comes. But there's really no need to curl this, with your bone folder, because it's pretty pliable, and you don't really need to, but I thought I needed to curve it. So I used my bone folder, and it wrinkled it. So it's really not necessary to do that, because it doesn't curve that much. With the bow, yes, you want to curl it, but hope that made sense. So anyway, here's my last one that I made, and I made it with a multicolored plaid paper, and used the light blue again. Really pretty, you guys. And so this one, as you can see, it doesn't really have wrinkles because I didn't curl it. So, I didn't try to curl the paper. So, so pretty. And so you can do whatever you want with these. You can fill them up with candy. So let's just go ahead and see how they look with the grass in them. Don't know yet what I'm putting in there, but probably some crafty things. And, you know, just put some shreds in there. Look, I'm making a mess. The way you do this so that it's not sticking out like crazy is you kind of ball it like that. And then you can put it in there, because then that way they're not sticking out all over the place like this one. But anyway, you kind of get it. I don't need to, you know, share with you guys how you want to put your shreds in. You do it however you want. So anyway, so yeah, you can fill it up with little candy, jelly beans. You can put like little stickers. These are stickers that I got from Michael's, and I will do a tutorial, a little share. So you can put stickers in there with some candy. Really, really cute and simple and easy. Look how cute. It's so cute, right? You can just keep it in there. Make it stick out. Put some jelly beans. Really cute. So I just love how they came out. So thank you guys for watching. And here, you can kind of see it better this way. And till my next project, you guys, I'm loving these Lawn Fawn new dies for Easter. So I'll talk to you guys later.